Hey everyone, this is Chris again over at AceVacuums in Fairfax, Virginia. We're at 11110 Lee Highway, right across the street from the Havertys. Our phone number is 703-997-9292. So today I'm going to show you guys a little how-to video. We get a lot of Oreck vacuums here in our store. Commonly the reason why they're harder to push or they're not picking up as well is typically because of a brush roll issue or a belt issue. Because that's turning the brush roll. Sometimes those brush rolls do go bad, so you have to replace those. So therefore, if it's not picking up well, if it's hard to push across your carpets, my recommendation is to take the piece off and check your brush roll and your belt. So that's basically what I'm going to show you today. So today we're going to have one of the Oreck commercial vacuums, the XL. These are pretty standard across the board. A majority of all the Orecks are about the same, to be honest with you. So to get into the brush roll area, what you're going to do is just flip this machine over. You're going to notice here you have some little holes here, here, and here. So basically you're just going to take those out. Those are screws, and you're just going to pop those out. And what that's going to allow you to do is pull this plate off of the bottom, off the top here, okay? Let's go ahead and take these off. Alright. So you notice that plate will come off relatively easy once you do that. So to pop this roller off, basically it's really easy. You can just pull it out. I just give it a little pull here. Alright, so you take this roller off. It's basically like squared on each side, and then you have your metal roller here. If you look down here in the machine, so we're going to go ahead and clean this out, but your belt attaches to the pulley here for your motor, and then your roller will attach to the metal band here on your brush roll. Okay, so let's go ahead and get that brush roll popped on. Alright, so basically what I do is turn this machine like this, get some leverage to pop that belt on the roller, and essentially what you do is just pop that like that, hook that, and then I go ahead and just give this a nice tug forward. Make sure these squares line up here on the other side as well, and then it should just drop down right into the machine like that. Once you do, just give it a test there, make sure you can move the belt, moves the roller, everything like that. And then what you do is you just pop your plates back, or your front plate back on here, just like so. If you don't have a screw gun, it's a little bit harder, but it's not too bad. And then you just tighten these back down. And that is it. Very quick, simple, easy. These Orecks are very easy to work on. They're kind of like our car vacuums. But if you have any questions, check us out on Facebook, like us on Instagram, subscribe to our TikTok, our YouTube channel. You can hit the link below to keep up to date with all of our how-to videos. If you guys have questions about how to repair something or how to fix something, or just have questions about a machine that you may have or want to get, hit us up on Facebook or Instagram or YouTube or TikTok or anything like that. We'll be able to help you guys out. Thank you guys for being loyal customers. Again, this is Chris over at AceVacuums. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you.